Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve for surface area and volume of a cylinder. Problem: imagine a can of soda. It has a radius of 5 centimeters and its height of 12 centimeters. Can you find its surface area and volume? So before we can solve for the total surface area, we'll solve first the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area equals 2 times pi times radius times height. So copy the 2, and pi is equivalent to 3.14 times its radius, which is 5 centimeters, and its height, which is 12 centimeters. Copy the 2 times 3.14 and then multiply 5 centimeters and 12 centimeters, which is equals to 60 cm squared. And then copy the 2 and multiply 3.14 times 60 cm squared, which is equals to 188.4 cm squared. Now multiply 2 times 188.4 cm squared equals to 376.8 cm squared. Now let's proceed to solving for the area of each base. Area of each base equals pi r squared. Copy the pi, and since the radius is 5 centimeters, we're gonna put 5 centimeters squared. Pi is equivalent to 3.14 times 25 cm squared. Now multiply 3.14 times 25 cm squared is equals to 78.5 cm squared. So now we can solve for the total surface area. Total surface area equals lateral surface area plus 2 times area of base. So since the lateral area is 376.8 cm squared, we're gonna put 376.8 cm squared plus 2 times its area of each base, which is 78.5 cm squared. Copy 376.8 cm squared plus multiply 2 times 78.5 cm squared, which is equals to 157 cm squared. Now add 376.8 cm squared plus 157 cm squared, and the result is 533.8 cm squared. So now we'll proceed to the solving of volume. So volume equals pi r squared times height. So pi is equivalent to 3.14 times its radius, which is 5 centimeters squared, times its height, which is 12 centimeters. Copy 3.14 and then 5 cm times 5 cm is equals to 25 cm squared times 12 cm. copy 3.14 and then multiply 25 cm squared times 12 cm. And the result is 300 cm cube. And now, multiply 3.14 times 300 cm cube is equals to 942 cm cube. So, the total surface area of a cylinder is 533.8 cm squared, while its volume is 942 cm cube.